See, there's a process for everything. You have to understand that we have to go through the report, we have to go through every details. And I've mentioned that we have received the commission for the first time, I guess, commission, all the three commissions we've set up have submitted their reports. One is a full box, about 50 kg report has been submitted to us. I mean, if you expect me to go through it in one day, it's not possible. So therefore, when we go through it, we have to see all the aspects and then accordingly. So there's a process that's followed. Everything requires time. It's not something that can be done anything. It's so you have to allow the process to continue. And as and when the process continues, we will definitely, whatever the findings are there, we will definitely inform the people. Oh, Harijan, so many high-level committees and so many committees and commissions. Okay, I mean, I don't have the exact update with me right now because, as I said, the Deputy Chief Minister is handling it directly. So I would refrain from replying to that. He would have the updates. He is in tour on Garo Hills right now, reviewing different projects in Garo Hills. So he'll be back on Sunday or Monday. So you can ask him for more details. The reason I'm not replying to that is because whatever information I have may be backdated or old. He will have the latest information. So I would request you if you could take that update from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister.